Welcome to Dr. Wanderlust channel. This Tugela Falls hike through chain ladders via Amphitheatre is an adventure that immerses hikers in the awe-inspiring beauty of Drakensberg mountains in South Africa. This video will provide a comprehensive guide to the hike, starting from Sentinel Car Park near Witsishoek Mountain Lodge. Furthermore, it will delve into the intriguing history of the amphitheatre, the chain ladders, and the Drakensberg region itself. Let's go. The Tugela Falls hike is renowned for its captivating scenery, challenging trails, and the opportunity to witness the majestic Tugela Falls, the highest waterfalls globally. This video will discuss the hike's difficulty level, duration, and the notable landmarks such as Sentinel Caves along the route. Hikers will discover the enchanting allure of this adventure, compelling them to embark on this unforgettable journey. Sentinel Car Park, located near Witsishoek Mountain Lodge, serves as the starting point for the Tugela Falls hike. A detailed information about the lodge, including its facilities, accommodation options, and the services it offers to hikers, have been uploaded already in the channel, and the link is given at the top now. Kindly check it. Additionally, it will highlight the lodge proximity to the Sentinel Car Park, ensuring convenient access to the trailhead. The Amphitheatre, an imposing rock wall spanning over 5 kilometers with a height of around 1200 meters, is a remarkable natural feature along the Tugela Falls hike. This segment will delve into the geological origins of the amphitheatre, including its formation and unique characteristics. Furthermore, it will explore the cultural and historical significance of this natural wonder, highlighting its role as a canvas for rock art and its importance to the indigenous communities that have been inhabited the area for centuries.
The one on the left, the first one, is called Eastern Patrice. 3,044 meters above sea level. That's the highest? No, it's not the highest. The highest is the Sentinel. Oh, really? Yeah. Sentinel is 3,165.
The Drakensberg Mountains, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are not only a geological wonder but also a repository of rich cultural and historical heritage. This part of the video will explore the historical context of the Drakensberg, tracking back thousands of years to the indigenous Sand people and their rock art. Additionally, it will touch upon the colonization and the exploration of the region, as well as the conservation efforts and the significance of Drakensberg in modern times. Tugela Falls hike through chain ladders via Amphitheatre is an extraordinary journey that combines natural beauty, adventure, and cultural heritage. This video has provided in-depth exploration of the hike from its starting point at the Sentinel Car Park near Witsishoek Mountain Lodge to the historical significance of the amphitheatre, chain ladders, and the broader Drakensberg region. But this video will end up in Sentinel Caves. The hikers embarking on this adventure will not only be captivated by the stunning landscapes but also gain a deeper appreciation for the cultural and geological history that has shaped this remarkable South African destination. Coming to the summary of this hike typically takes a full day to complete, with an estimated duration of 6 to 8 hours depending on the pace and fitness level of the hikers. The Tugela Falls hike is considered moderately challenging and requiring a moderate level of fitness too and some hiking experience. The presence of chain ladders adds an element of adventure and requires caution while ascending the steep cliffs of the amphitheatre. Before reaching to the top of the escarpment, we just reached the Sentinel Caves, which is a pair of caves before the chain ladders, which gives a stunning view of the Drakensberg Valley. And this part 1 of the video will end up in Sentinel Cave. And stay tuned for the second part, which is to the top of the escarpment via chain ladders and staying overnight. The chain ladders are an integral part of the Tugela Falls hike, providing hikers with a secure and exhilarating route up the steep cliffs of the amphitheatre. Our guide discussed the installation and the purpose of chain ladders, their structural features, and the safety precautions associated with their use. And it also delved into the experiences and challenges faced by the hikers as they navigate these ladders, heightening the sense of adventure and accomplishment.
Yeah, go. Okay, so guys, these are the chain ladders. This one here on the left, it was erected in 1930, so it's about 90 years old. The old KZN Parks erected it, which is now known as Isambello. Prior to this, you had to come up the gully. The gully is 150 meter in elevation. This here is only like 50 meters. So it's much quicker and easier. And it's divided into two parts. I think a 15 meter and then a 5 meter, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, so it's 30 meters and gully is 150 meters. So it's way shorter, like a fifth shorter.
Yeah.
Alright, Bob, sharp.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Bye.
Okay.
I'm grateful to have you as a part of my YouTube family, and I'm looking forward to bringing you more exciting and engaging content in the future. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.